What's happening, YouTube? It's your man Geraldi. We're back on the scene again with another unboxing review. Like I like to call it, Robe review. As you can see, I'm in my robe right now, feeling comfortable. You know what I mean? So this is I got myself a cable. I needed like a cable USB, basically like a USB A cable for my iPhone. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, this is what I got. Native Union. That's a belt cable XL. It's 6 times stronger. Limited lifetime warranty. Ultra strength. 10 foot by 3 millimeter. 3 meter. Lightning to USB A cable. Made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. So I mean, like the one I have right now, I got it from Amazon. This is I bought this from Best Buy, as you can see. Yep. As you can see, my bad. So it's Best Buy. And I needed one. So, as you can see, it says it's ultra strong, 6 times stronger than your standard lightning cable, 10,000 bend lifespan. So they did a lot of work on this thing, from what they're assessing and what they're describing on the package. It has an O-Flex standard relief design. It's a reinforced construction, durable nylon braiding, TPE rubber sleeve, protective tin copper brand. So this is pretty strong and durable, man. So I mean, let's see how this thing goes. I needed something like it's gonna be a lot more durable. It's a lot better than what I got right now. It's a little standard $10 plus. iPhone cable chargers. It's like 10 feet, about the same thing. It wasn't working that well, so lo and behold, when it's not working, you gotta get upgrade your shit. My bad for that. So as you can see, we're gonna try it out, see how this thing works out. And syncs and high-speed charging, synchronize, extra range use for charge for your devices, comfort, reinforced 10-foot charging cable with genuine leather strap. Always stay strapped. Man, sometimes they make these damn things that like possible to get into you. And let's pop it up in. I like to sing on there, man. I like to get my little hum on and all that. As you can see, man, it's pretty tough, man. It's tough and it look durable. Shoot, look like a good product right here. And a couple cards. Register in 3 easy steps. Scan. Number 1, scan your QR code and use your iPhone camera. Then open Native Union link. Tap open Native, register your product. Relax. Okay. So this is a limited lifetime warranty activation. So I just gotta activate my lifetime warranty for this product. Okay, this is just another like a handbook and basically what this describes, what it does. Okay. Alright, Native Union sticker, I guess. I don't know what the heck you want me to put this on, so. Okay. It looks like a pretty good quality stuff, man. So, hey. I'm saying it's a good price. $34.99. Best Buy. I'm gonna go ahead and definitely make sure I get my lifetime warranty on that. Because now, things tend to break down pretty easily nowadays. So, Native Union. belt cable. As you can see, focus, man. All right, man. Yeah, this was a totally unfiltered unboxing review of the Native Union USB-A cable for my iPhone. So I appreciate y'all for taking your time out to check out this unboxing review in my Robe, which I call the Robe review and unboxing. So I'm gonna see y'all next time. Holla at you. One time.